Okay, the past like 2 weeks, probably maybe a week and a half, I've been testing out this snow mushroom night cream. I wanted something to help lock in moisture, and this one is really good. So I do like my normal skin routine at nighttime: wash, well, exfoliate, wash, all the steps. And then I still use my normal moisturizer, and then I use the night cream on top of it. This stuff is so thick. It is so good. I love it because it has some good ingredients. It has like vitamin E, jojoba oil, the snow mushroom, and it like literally feels when you wake up like your skin is nice and glossy. Let me kind of just show you the texture. You only need like a teeny bit. I'm not gonna put it on because it's morning time right now. I had it on last night, but it is nice and thick, but like blends into your skin nicely. It is so hydrating, and it makes your face feel like very hydrated, I guess. Like when you first put it on, I almost feel like it's kind of like a cooling sensation. I don't know for sure, but maybe that's just because it's like hydrating it so much. But even just like right now on my hand, it feels so good. So I love this stuff, and it also comes in a really cute little bottle. Not that that necessarily matters, but it's cute. The brand actually had sent me this to test out. I was waiting a couple weeks to see if I liked it or not, but I do it. When I wake up, I can tell the nights that I use this versus the nights I don't. So I have loved it for hydration for sure.